Hey, what's up, folks? How is it going? So today's interview question is, what is the common taint and when Terraform mark the resource as tainted? Under what scenario we will mark the resource as tainted? So we'll see some examples and stay till the end. I will show you some simple examples so that it will be very clear to you. So let's see what is a taint. So taint is basically used to mark a Terraform managed resource. If you mark it tainted, so when you run Terraform apply next time, it will be recreated. So it won't modify the infrastructure. It will modify the state file in order to mark the resource as a resource as tainted. So once the resource is marked tainted, next plan will show that resource will be destroyed and recreated. And the next apply will implement this change. So what are the scenarios under which you will mark the resource tainted? So one scenario could be resource malfunction or corruption. Suppose you started something like some server, but it's malfunctioning or it's not responding or some corruption happened in the file system. So you want to recreate it. So what will you do? You will mark that resource as a tainted, and then in the next apply, it will be uh, recreated again, destroyed and recreated again. There can be manual changes outside the Terraform. Someone by mistake may have shut it down, so you can mark as tainted. Upgrading the infrastructure, you want to upgrade the infrastructure. So in that case, also you can mark it as a tainted. That can be testing related changes. You want to try with different, you want to recreate the resource for testing purpose. You can mark it as a tainted. Rotating resources. So SSL certificate, database credentials, secrets on periodic basis, you need to rotate. So that also you can do. Then the reclaiming failed resources. You created a RDS instance, but it failed to initialize. So the other scenarios, like summary will be like fix broken resources, resource malfunctioning, unresponsiveness, some manual changes happened. You want to upgrade testing, you want to do some testing, you want to recreate it, you want to rotate the resource and resolve some discrepancies. You started it, but some configuration failed or some network issue happened. So that failed resource you want to uh, remove. Later you realize it failed and you want to remove it. So this could be the reasons. Now let's see one example so it will be very clear to you. So I have written a file which will be like a script which will be creating a Terraform bucket with some random number. And I'm getting the random number bucket ID. And this bucket ID I'm now I have already executed Terraform init and I will run Terraform plan. So Terraform plan executed and it shows that two items will be added, two resources and zero change, zero destroy. So one is that random ID, other one is the bucket. So now I will apply Terraform apply. So this will create the resource that is that bucket, S3 bucket. Okay, enter a value yes. So it has created two resource created and I can run Terraform show. So this is the random ID and this is the bucket. Now, if I run Terraform plan again, it will say that it won't create any new resource. So everything should be 000. Everything should be 000. And what is the bucket? This is the bucket name. Terraform taint demo bucket AB60 something. Okay, it says that no changes. Infrastructure matches the configuration, no changes. So now I will taint it, Terraform taint, and AWS S3 bucket dot demo bucket. So this is the resource ID. So this is going to change in the state file. Resource instance has been marked as tainted. Now if I run Terraform plan, it is going to show that it is going to create a new one. Earlier bucket name was demo.ab60e something. One to add, one to destroy. Destroyed, it will be destroyed, old bucket will be destroyed and new will be created. So if I run apply, we will see that old demo bucket, which was like demo hyphen AB something, that will be destroyed and new one will be created. And if you want to untent it, like suppose you have marked it as a taint and then later realize you don't want to create it, means don't want to recreate it, what will you do? You can use a command Terraform untent. Enter a value. So this is the destroying. You can see destroying. AB60 got destroyed and creating this new one. Okay, okay, destruction completed. Let's see what it is trying to create. Mm, so destroy that old bucket. Decision complete after 1 second. Then creation complete after 5 seconds. So new bucket got created, but it did not change that random number value. It used the same number, whatever was used last time. Even it was a random number, so it didn't change the number. So bucket name is same. That makes sense because some other configuration may depend on this bucket name. So if it changes the number, it may be an issue. So now question to you, if I want to change the that number, I want to recreate the bucket with the new number. So what will you do? Okay, so let's see the question I put into my LinkedIn page. Challenge, daily challenge. What does the Terraform 10 command do in Terraform? So it marks resource for deletion and removes it immediately from the infrastructure? No. Marks a resource as taint, forcing it to be destroyed and recreated during the next Terraform apply? Definitely, this is the yes. Delete a resource permanently from Terraform state file? No. Update the Terraform state to indicate that all resources are there. So this is the correct answer. Marks a resource as tainted, forcing it to be destroyed and recreated during the next Terraform apply. So please like and share the video and follow my WhatsApp channel and also my LinkedIn page. And there I post daily quiz contest and contest you can follow in my WhatsApp channel. When I will announce, you will come to know and I can participate. And daily quiz also you can participate. And thank you for watching.